What should be done to avoid stretch marks? Stretch marks like this are appearing on thighs, cheeks, buttocks, back, sides and thighs. Even if you gain a little weight, stretch marks are coming. So how to avoid stretch marks? Stretch marks are caused by drinking less water. We have mesh with bands called collagen and elastin in the inner layers of the skin. This mesh has good elasticity when water is good. That is why the mesh helps to stretch the skin. Whenever we drink too little water, dehydration develops inside us and the collagen and elastin bands in the inner layer of the skin are cut. Also, when dehydration occurs, this band will break. If the band is broken, the stretch mark will occur. So drinking less water can cause more stretch marks. So try to drink 4 liters of good water regularly, male and female above 15 years of age. Make children drink water according to their age. Don't cut down on drinking water. Once you get stretch marks, they won't go away in life. So drink water well and let the children drink it. I request you to give importance to it and drink it regularly, as water will help you without spoiling your beauty.